Hey everyone, welcome back to the tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create this card hover effect using HTML and CSS. Before proceeding further, please be sure to drop a like on the video, and subscribe to my channel, for more videos. So, without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Open your code editor. Then create an HTML file. Use the link tag to include our CSS file. In the body, create a div element with class as container. Inside it, create another div with class as image. Create another div with class as title. You can put any text you want. Our HTML part is ready. Let's write the CSS. Create a CSS file. For the body, set font family to Sego, UI, sans serif. Set margin to 0. Set padding to 0. Set display to flex. Set justify content to center. Set align items to center. Set min height to 100 VH. Set background color to Nero black color. For the container class, set background color to black. Set background to linear gradient, at 135 degrees. Set first color to black, at 0% position. Set second color to black as well, at 25% position. Set third color to soft blue, at 50% position. Set fourth color to bright pink, at 75% position. Set fifth color to purple, at 100% position. Set background size to 400%. 400%. Set background repeat to no repeat. Set display to flex. Set width and height to 750 pixels. You can use your custom dimensions as well. Set justify content to center. Set align items to center. Set color to white. Set font size to 1.5 rem. Set position to relative. Set cursor to pointer. Set transition to half a second. All. For the image class, set position to absolute. Set left and top to 0. Set background color to black. Background image to URL of path of your image. Background repeat to no repeat. And background position to center. Set background size to cover. Set width and height to 100%. Set z-index to 1. Set opacity to 0.5. Set mix blend mode to screen. For the title class, set position to relative. Set z-index to 10. Set text transform to uppercase. Set letter spacing to 0.05 em. On container hover, set background position to 100%. 100%. On container hover, set titles text shadow to 0, 0, 20 pixels, black. Here, our final effect is ready. So, that's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel, for more tutorials. So, I will meet you, in next video. Till then, good luck, and peace.